Hey Ray, how did you go at the Blooms Sunshine Coast workshop in this beautiful Yandina Hall that we've been in the last 4 days and one evening? It's been awesome, hasn't it?
It has been absolutely fantastic. I started off extremely nervous but very excited, and you managed to get the nerves out of me and get this on the canvas. So for someone who has never painted anything like this ever in my life,
Oh my gosh.
I'm so grateful for all of your teachings and all of the information that you've shared with us. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're a sweetheart. Thank you so much. And usually you do craft, right? What sort of craft stuff do you make?
Resin jewellery, rings and bangles, things like that, and macrame wall hangings.
Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah, so this is completely different, completely out of my comfort zone.
And I think you got very comfortable with it.
Thank you. Yes, I'm absolutely loving the entire process. It's fantastic.
I particularly love watching you paint in time to the music. And you didn't realise you're doing it.
I had no idea. It was a good rhythm, it was a good beat. I'm happy to do it, yeah. Highly recommend the music while painting.
Darling, well done. Absolutely gorgeous. And I've loved having you. You've been a delight.
Thank you very much for having me.
Pleasure. And we'll just nut one more look at this gorgeous piece. Lovely blending, beautiful colours. Who wouldn't be so proud to hang those pieces? Well done.